So good afternoon to one and all. Last class already we have started the KVL. We'll continue the problems. One more problems. For two loops we have already solved. Okay. Two loops we have solved the problem. But for the three loops here now, we'll discuss today. Find the value of the currents I1, I2 and I3 as shown below here now. So this is the circuit diagram. 4 volt he has given, 5 ohm, 15 ohm, 10 ohm, 12 ohm, 8 ohm, 6 volts. So all are connected in a closed manner and a circuitry manner. Okay. Based on that, according to Kirchhoff's voltage law theory, one loop, second loop, and third loop. What they have asked, they have asked to identify current I1, current flowing through this branch, current flowing through this branch, current flowing through this one here. So I1, I2, I3 they have considered here. So according to our direct methods, so I will not mark anything. Directly I will mark the loop flow. This one first flow I1, second one I2, third one I3 here. So if he has given I1, I2, I3, see here this 5 ohm current flowing through this one is I1 here now. So it is not linked to other loop, only one loop here now. It is linked to one loop only. So I can consider this one as I1 only. Suppose if instead of this one, if he has given this one as I1, we cannot choose this one as I1 here now. Cannot choose this one as I1 because I1 is only related to 15 ohm on that situation. Now we can choose because this is related to loop 1 only. This one it is related to loop 2. This one it is completely related to loop 3 only. So according to the direct method, apply KVL to the first loop. First we'll mark that one. The current is flowing like this. So this is positive, negative. Already positive, negative is given. This one positive, negative because it is will flow like this. Next here, positive, negative, positive, negative. This one already we are using. Current is flowing in this direction. Positive, negative. Here it is given here now. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we'll mark the terminal name also. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay. For the KVL, for loop A, B, G, H, A. This loop here now. We are applying this KVL. To AB, how much is it is there? Minus 5,
I1.
minus 5, I1. Okay. Next here, minus 15. The which current is flowing here now? Here I1 is flowing, here I2 is flowing here now. So I1 minus I2. I1 minus I2. Next, plus 4 volt. 0. So minus 5 I1 minus 15 I1 minus into minus this plus 15 I2 equal to, I'll send into RHS side this one. Minus 4. Minus 4. So here also I1 term is there, here I1 term is there. I can say that one is minus 20 I1 plus 15 I2 equal to minus 4. This is equation number 1. This one we can call this one as equation number 1. Similarly for KVL for loop, second loop, this one B to C, C to F, F to G, G to B wapas. This one. B to C minus
10 I2.
10 I2. Next C to F
Minus 8
minus
I2
8
minus I3.
minus 8
I2 minus I3.
I2 minus I3. Very good. This is I2, this is I3. I2 minus I3. Next, it will come here, C to F. F to G, nothing is there.
0.
But G to B,
Minus 15.
minus
15.
15.
I2.
I1 minus I2. I1 minus I2.
Tell me, clearly you tell me, I1 minus I2 or I2 minus I1. So just think out that one. Roll number 22 is joining.
I2 minus I1. Sir.
I2 minus I1.
Yes, sir.
Check
I2
that one,
minus-
check it.
Yes, sir. I2 minus I1.
I2 minus I1 है क्या? कांबळे स्नेहल and राहुल मुळे. Rahul Mule. What is your roll number?
52.
This is the last chance. Next time मैंने admit ही नहीं करता हूँ तुमको meeting में. कांबळे. अभी ज्वाइन किया कौन है? लड़की है जो कांबळे. There will be absent. Okay. This one minus 15. What you are telling?
I2 minus I1.
I2 minus I1.
I2 minus
I2 minus I1 or I1 minus I2? Think on that one. Tell the answer. See here, we are applying for loop 2 here now. So for the loop 2, we are not marking this one as positive, negative here. Both answers are correct. I will tell this one. 15, I will write in the separately. Listen here now. Okay. Here for the loop 2, you check here. Minus, if I used this one, suppose I have considered this one as positive, negative. Minus 15 I2 minus I1. Any one thing you consider, you split this one into minus 15 I2 plus
15 I1.
15 I1. Okay. Or we can consider this end sign of this one. This is plus 15. Which sign we are
I1
using?
minus I2.
I1 current
I1
we are
minus
using.
I2.
I1 minus I2 we have to use here. So 15 I1 minus 15 I2. See here, both are correct. Both are same only. 15 I1, 15 I1. Minus 15 I2, minus 15 I2. So any one thing you use, but you should be clear, very clear about that one. Only one time you are marking means you have to consider this one I1 minus I2. I will consider I1 minus I2 only. Plus sign I will consider plus 15 I1 minus
I1 minus
I2
I2.
equal to 0. Equal to 0. There is no voltage source here now. So minus 10 I2 minus 8 into I2 is 8 I2 minus
Plus
into
8.
minus
Plus 8
Plus
I3.
plus
I3 plus 15 I1
minus
minus
15.
15 I2 equal to 0. Equal to 0. Here I2 first I1 term is there, only one I1 term. 15 I1 I will write down. Next here I2 terms are there. Minus 8 minus 10
Minus 18 I2.
minus 18 I2. Next I3 term. No, sorry. One more I2 term is there. Minus 15 I2. Minus 10 minus 8 minus 15. Minus 33. Minus 10. 10 plus 8. 18. 18 plus 15.
33.
33.
3.
Plus 8 I3 equal to 0. Equal to 0. We can say this one as equation number 2. Equation number 2. Next for KVL for next loop, third loop. C, D, E, F, C. C, D, E, F, C here now. It will flow. C to D. minus
12 I3.
12i3 d to e
minus 6,
minus
minus 6, e to f nothing is there, f to c
minus I2,
just loudly you can say once again minus 8 I3 minus I2 or plus 8 I2 minus I3
I3.
here. 8 I2 minus I3 equal to 0. I will consider this one here. Minus 12 I3 I will write down as it is. This one I will keep outside now. I will send into RHS side. It will become plus 6.
6.
Okay. Split into 8 into I2 plus 8 I2 minus 8 I3. Correct?
Yes, sir.
12 I3. Is there I1 term?
No, sir.
No.
No I1 term. So 0 I1. I3, I2 term is 8 I2 minus 8 minus 12 minus 20
20.
Minus
I3
20.
equal to 6. This is
Third.
equation number 3. Here is there any 0 I3 term?
No.
No, then 0 I3 we can add here also. Equation number 1 for the loop 1. Equation number 2 for loop 2. Equation number 3 for loop 3 here now. All 3 loops we have identified here. This is actually methods we have to write down. Direct method we'll discuss. Okay, I will tell that one here now. You just close this one. Just close this one. You can write down here now. See, this is the loop 1. Loop 1 है. Loop 1 का total resistance कितना है सोचो. Loop 1 is related to current 1 I1. So end sign is only minus only we have to consider. 5 plus 15 कितना हो गया?
20.
So 20 minus 20 I1. The first one minus 20 I1. Okay. Next, any resistances are linked with loop 2 and loop 3. Only one resistance which is linked to
15.
loop 2, 15. So for the other loop resistances, we have to consider plus I2 plus 15 I2 plus 15 I2. Loop 3 is not linked here now. Loop 3 is here, loop 1 is here. So 0 I3 we can write down. 0 I3 equal to. The end sign is plus here now. When I will write it to RHS side, it will become
Minus.
minus 4. Yeah, I can tell that one here. So 5 plus 15 minus 20 I1. Only 15 I2. This 0 I3 minus 4 we have written here. Next, similarly, consider here for the loop 2 is important here now. First for the I1 we'll write down. I1, which resistance is related? Only 15 is linked with I1 here now. So plus 15 I1 we write down. For I2, how many resistances are there? 1, 2, 3. These are related to I2. So minus 15 minus 10 minus 8 here now. 15 plus 10,
Minus
25. 25 plus 8, 33.
33.
Minus 33 I2. Can write down here. Next, this resistance is linked with 3. No, this one is linked with 1 already written. This is linked with loop 3. So plus 8 I3. We can write down equal to, there is no voltage source, equal to 0. Equal to 0 we can write down. Next, similarly, for the loop 3, first, is there any resistance linked with loop 1?
No,
Linked
sir.
with I1?
No,
No.
sir.
No.
Then 0 I1 we can write down. Any resistance linked with I2?
Yes, sir.
I2. 8 is linked with I2. So plus 8 I2 we can write down. Next, I3 को ये तीनों linked है. 8 plus 12, 20. Minus 20 I3. The end sign is minus. When I will send into RHS side, it will become plus 6. You can write down. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So this is the direct method we can do here by using the calculator. Now substitute all these 3. Easily you get the value of I1, I2, I3.
Sir, can you explain loop 2 again?
Which one?
loop 2.
Loop 2. Okay. See here I2 is flowing. Here also I2 is flowing. And here also I2 is flowing here now. Okay. Where is loop 2? BC. Huh? B to C. Only one resistance is there. E and sign is minus. This is 10 ohm related to I2 current only. 10 into I2 minus 10 I2 we have written here now. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Next, C to F, you come here now. Here I2 is there, here I3 is there. Both the currents are opposing here now. Both the currents are opposing here now. We are considering loop 2. So the loop 2 current is I2 end sign is minus here now. So which resistance? 8. So
8.
minus 8 we have to write down here now. Minus 8. This loop we are considering I2 minus I3. We have to write down here now. I2 minus I3 we have to write down here. This is over.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? Okay. Next one. This is, there is no resistance. So 0 is there. Next will come here. Here the I2 is opposing to I1. I2 is opposing to I1. Here only will get confusion actually. Already हमने loop 1 को apply किए. If we are using loop 1 polarity, I1 का polarity use कर रहे हैं तो I1 minus I2 use करने का. ये मेरे को ये polarity नहीं चाहिए बोल दिया तो और एक बार polarity करने का, पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव कर देने का, माइनस साइन लेने का, 15 I2 माइनस I1 लेने का, 15 I2 माइनस I1. इसको जैसे लिया ना ऐसा I2 माइनस I1 लेने का. नहीं है मेरे को और एक बार पोलैरिटी नहीं करना है, यही साइन यूज कर रहे हैं पहले वाला, मींस ये प्लस यूज करने का. ये साइन पोलैरिटी किससे यूज किए? I1 की वजह से. सो I1 माइनस I2 यूज करने का. प्लस 15 I1 माइनस I2, प्लस 15 I1 माइनस I2. इसको और एक बार लिखेंगे. ये प्लस यूज किया ना, माइनस यूज करके भी लिखेंगे. आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू. 10 I2 माइनस 8 I2 माइनस I3 माइनस, और एक बार मैंने पोलैरिटी मार्क किया, सोचो, माइनस 15 I2 माइनस आई विल राइट डाउन I2 माइनस I1 इक्वल टू 0, माइनस 10 I2 minus 8 into I2, 8 I2 minus into minus plus 8 I3 plus 15 I2 minus
15 I1.
15 I1. एक मिनट, नहीं ये माइनस है ना.
Yes,
First,
plus
so my minus 15 I2 plus 15 I1 equal to 0. Yes. So I1 term, where is it? Minus plus 15 I1 minus here 1 I2 term, here I2 term is there, here I2 term is there. All are minus only. 10 plus 8 plus 15 minus 33 I2 plus 8 I3 equal to 0. दोनों इक्वेशन 2 को डिफरेंस है क्या? देखो, दिस इज इक्वेशन 2, दिस इज इक्वेशन 2, सेम इक्वेशन है.
Yes, sir.
सो आई एम टेलिंग यू, ये यूज कर रहे तो I2 माइनस I1, इसका पोलैरिटी यूज कर रहे तो I1 का पोलैरिटी यूज कर रहे तो I1 माइनस I2. कैसे भी यूज करो, बोथ विल गेट द सेम आंसर ओनली. कोई डाउट पूछ रहा था, अभी क्लियर हो गए?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
नेक्स्ट कैलकुलेशन करो, डेल्टा फॉर्म यूज करो, नहीं है तो इक्वेशन को, it is equation method is it will consume so much time for you people, because 3 equations are there. For 3 equations what you have to do, पहला ये एक इक्वेशन कैंसिल करने का. इधर I1 टर्म नहीं है, इधर I2 एंड I3 है, इधर I3 टर्म नहीं है, किधर है? इक्वेशन 1 में. सो I2 इज कॉमन, पहला ये दोनों में I2 रिमूव करने का. तो I1 मिल जाएगा तुमको, बट I1 I3 मिल जाएगा. 3 बार तुमने मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना पड़ेगा. सो बेस्ट मेथड इज डिटरमिनेंट मेथड we have to use here now. So in the matrix form you write this one, minus 20 plus 15 0. Second equation 15 I1 33 minus 33 8. Third equation 0 I1 8 minus 20. This is I1,
I1, I2,
I2, I3 equal to minus
minus
4,
0,
0,
6.
6 here now. This one you can write down here now. From this one, you calculate delta. Delta is minus 20, 15, 0, 15 minus 33, 8, 0, 8 minus 20 equal to, you take this minus 20 outside here now, minus 20, this one minus into minus, it will become plus 33 into 20 minus 8 into 8 like this. Next minus 15, this one you consider or this one you consider, anyone you consider here now. I will consider this one. I am considering 15 minus 15 minus 20 into minus 15, sorry, plus 15 minus 20 into 15, and this one 8 into 0, it is 0 only, minus 0. Next other term plus 0 into anything, it is 0 only. So this term is eliminated. This two you calculate and tell the answer. Otherwise, directly by using the calculator, you can calculate the value of I1, I2, I3.
Yes, sir. Calculate it.
हाँ, बोलो कितना है आंसर? I1 how much?
I1 0.22.
0.224.
224.
224.
correct answer.
I2 is equal to 0.032.
0.032.
323 ampere. Okay, correct.
I3
I3
is
equal
equal
to
to minus
Minus
0.287.
0.287.
minus 0.2867
287.
ampere. Yes.
No, sir. Only 7.
Okay, no problem.
287.
2867 is nothing but 7 only. Nothing to worry about.
Yes.
Whatever it may. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
See, I1 means which current it is, current flowing through 5 ohm here now. I2 equal to current flowing through 10 ohm. I3 equal to current flowing through 12 ohm here now. So I will change this problem. I will give in the other form. Can you solve this problem? Same problem. I will give in the different manner. How many of you will solve? I will check that one here now. The example. Find the value of current direction छोड़ के बाकी सब same diagram ले लो अभी. Find the value of currents I1, I2 and I3 here now. So this is 4 volt only. I will write down plus minus. This one I will write down 5 ohm only. Here I will write down 15 ohm only. Next I will write here 10 ohm only. I will write here as 8 ohm. Next one, this here also one more resistance is there, 12 ohm. I will write here, and here the positive, negative, 6 volt is there. Same problem. I will write as find I1, I2, I3. Okay. I will mark this one as I1 here now. This one is I1. This one is I2 and this one is I3. कैलकुलेशन करो देखेंगे. मैंने ये ब्रांच करंट नहीं किए. दिस करंट इज नॉट कंसिडर्ड एज I1. ये लूप का करंट कौन सा IA, IB, IC जैसा कैलकुलेशन कर सकते तुम. सी डिफरेंस इज पहला मैंने I1 ये कंसिडर किया था, अभी I1 ये कंसिडर किए, I2 ये किए, I3 ये किए. समझ में आ रहा है क्या? Calculate I1 here now. I1, I2, I3. Calculate it. I will show this one also. The solution also I will show. सॉल्व करने वाला है कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I will give one hint also. You can do that one here now. See this one, instead of this I1, you can consider this loop as IA. IA. This one you can consider as IB. This one you can consider as IC here now. You can do like this. You can mark like this. So from the circuit diagram here, which current is flowing? IA is flowing. IA is nothing but इधर आने के बाद two currents flow. IA equal to I1 plus I2. ऑलरेडी अभी कैलकुलेशन किया ना, that I1 कैलकुलेशन किया वाला को IA करने का. So this one we add here now. I1 plus I2. And this one current, which current is flowing? I2. I2 is equal to, sorry, IB equal to I2 only here. Next IC equal to, this one is I3 here. Which current is flowing here? IB. So what you will do? Which current it is? Sorry, IC is flowing here now. IB is nothing but I2. Which current is this one? I3 we are going to consider. So I2 minus I3, we can do that one here now. I2 minus I3, like that. This is I2. Some current is flowing here. तुमको IC चाहिए. IC को I2 minus I3 कितना बचते हैं ना? That is called IC here. I2 minus I3. अभी calculation ये I1 is different. Remember here now. First you have to calculate I1, I2, all the things you have to calculate. कंफ्यूज हो रहे क्या? कंफ्यूज हो रहे तो बोलो, मैंने और एक बार सिंपल करता हूँ. एक मिनट, लिसन केयरफुली. दिस वन इंस्टेड ऑफ I1, I2, I3, फाइंड IA, IB, IC करो अभी. बेटर ऑप्शन. दिस इज A, दिस इज B, दिस इज C. ये I1 ये करो, ये I2 करो, ये I3 करो. अभी I1, I2, I3 मालूम है ना तुमको? ऑल ऑफ यू अभी कैलकुलेशन किए ना? I1, I2,
Yes, sir.
I3.
Yes, sir.
ये I1, I2, I3 सेम मेथड यूज करने का. बट क्या करने का अभी तुमको IA वैल्यू चाहिए. IA इक्वल टू दिस करंट. व्हिच करंट इज फ्लोइंग हियर? I1 here now.
I1.
So I1. Which current is outside? This one.
I2.
This one means I2 here now. I1 minus I2. ये I1 में ये कितना का है ना, वो छोड़ के बाकी इधर जा रहा है. So I1 minus I2 करो. IB equal to I2. Same current. IC equal to this one. Sorry, IC is nothing but this one here now. Which current is flowing here now? I2. I2 छोड़ के कितना है इधर? I3 है. So I3 minus I2. Just a minute. इधर करंट कैसे दोनों डायरेक्शन सेम हो रहे. I2 minus I3 करो. कितना है बोल दो मेरे को. इधर तो क्या ऑपरेशन करके रखा था. How much? That is called branch current. We are going to tell that one. This is branch current. Current flowing through this branch कितना है, current flowing through this branch कितना है, current flowing through ये resistance कितना है, वो calculation करना है. कर सकते क्या बाद में? I'll take one more problem. ठीक है, कुछ गड़बड़ हो गए तो मेरे को through WhatsApp you can send the image. I will solve it and I will send you. Take one more problem similar to that one. I will take randomly here now. Randomly I will take here now. Just a minute. Okay. Find all branch currents. Can write here now. Take the problem here now. This one resistance और एक resistance यूज करता हूँ. This one more resistance, one more here now, and these two in between here, one more resistance. To direct this term I will take outside. And I will give one voltage supply battery, one more resistance. I will mark here now. This is 1 ohm plus minus 4 volt. Is 1 ohm, 2 ohm, 3 ohm, 4 ohm, and 5 ohm. Now you tell me how many loops are there here now. How many loops are there? ऐसा प्रॉब्लम है तो कंफ्यूज हो जाते क्या?
No, sir.
नहीं ना? Then tell
No,
me
no,
that.
sir.
2 loops are there.
Yes, sir.
Any other answers? One or 2 or 3 or 4?
Sir, 3.
3 loops. Next. So this method, Kirchhoff voltage law method, is also called as mesh analysis. बोलते. Loop is different, mesh is different. Mesh is a loop which doesn't have any loop inside that one. Mesh means वो भी loop है, but उसके अंदर और कुछ loop नहीं रहने का. अभी loop analysis means एक ही loop consider का, उसके अंदर कौन सा भी loop नहीं रहने का. वो choose करो. ठीक है, I will explain this one. This is one loop. एक
Yes,
loop है और एक loop ये है
Yes, sir.
और एक this one. It will start from here. We can consider this one. इसके अंदर और कुछ loop है क्या? नहीं है ना?
No, sir.
You can consider this one as another loop here now. So 1, 2, 3 consider कर सकते. Some peoples you may also ask that one. Sir ये भी consider कर सकते ना ये बोल के outer layer this one. But ये consider किया तो इसके अंदर 2 loop आ जाते हैं ना. Outer layer consider किया तो इसके अंदर आ जाते हैं ना. So you cannot consider like this. Only this one. इसके अंदर तो कुछ भी नहीं है loop. So this is one loop, second loop, and third loop like that. So I will consider this is I1 loop 1. Next, this one I2. This one I will consider as I3. Like this we will consider here. Now you write the mark the current direction. Here it is flowing. This one I2 like this. I3 is in this direction. Positive, negative, positive, negative. Otherwise I1 को consider करो ये दोनों like this positive, negative. It is flowing like this positive, negative here now, and positive, negative. Write the equation. All of you, at least you try to write the equation for this question. I will write the direct equation. We'll check it, cross verify. Tell me, any one of you can tell the equations. You consider this one as I1, loop 1, loop 2, loop 3. Suppose some people क्या करने का ये loop 1 किया है, ये loop 2 किया है, ये loop 3 किया है सोचो. So उसके हिसाब से ये loop का करंट अलग, ये loop का करंट अलग. I1, I2, I3 नहीं करने का अभी. This is which ये loop को कौन सा करंट चूज किया हम, वो करंट कितना है सोचने का. Some people you can consider as instead of I1, I2, I3, you can consider as IA, IB, IC also. That is left to you. Which one you have considered as first loop, which one has considered as second loop, third loop. हो गई क्या, कोई लिखा है क्या प्रॉब्लम? Meanwhile, I will check the attendance. Roll number 3, absent. 5, 9, 10, 13, 24, 25, 28, 29, 32, 33, 34, 45, 50, 53, 55, 59, 60, 61, 71.
Sir, roll number 9 present.
Roll number 9 present. What is your name?
Snehal Kamble.
Kamble, you have to write your roll number. Name कैसे रखा है तुमने? Snehal Kamble only we have written here. Next time ऐसा नाम change करके roll number next your name लिखने का है. ऐसा नहीं लिखा तो मैंने admit ही नहीं करता हूँ ग्रुप में, मीटिंग में नहीं लेने वाला. Over, anyone have you written the equations?
-7 I1 plus 7 I2 is equal to 1.
-7
I1.
कौन सा इक्वेशन, ये लूप 1 की है क्या?
Yes, sir.
गलत हो गए फिर.
FADC.
F ये CEF वो कंसिडर किया क्या?
Yes.
-7 I1 गलत है फिर. इधर एक 1 ओम है, देखो ये लिए क्या, देखो नहीं लिए.
So -8 I1 plus 4 I2 plus 3 I3 is equal to -4.
Okay, next, this is loop Equation 1 is correct. Anyone? Equation number 2.
minus 4I1 minus 2I2 plus 5I3 is equal to 0.
Once again, और एक बार बोलो.
Minus 4I1
Next,
minus 2I2.
minus 2I2.
Yes, sir.
minus 5,
No. Then confused हो गए तुम लोग.
minus 5 I2 आता है सर.
नहीं, -5 भी नहीं आता. 10I2 आता है वो. -10I2. ओके, लिसन. ध्यान से सुनो पहला. अभी हमको लूप मैं लिखता हूँ. A2 A D C E F वापस ये. ओके, पहला A to D ले लो. Which current is flowing here now? Here I1 flow हो रहा है, इधर I2 flow हो रहा है. Yes, I1 minus I2 लिख सकते. माइनस साइन ले लो इधर. -4 I1 minus I2. -4 I1 minus I2. नेक्स्ट A to D हो गए. D to C ले लो अभी. D to C कौन सा है? तो -3 I1 minus I3.
I3,
I1 minus I3. Okay, next C to E कुछ नहीं है. So E to F. E to F लेने का इधर minus only I1 is there. 1 I1, it is I1 only I will consider. 1 I1. Next plus 4. End
4.
sign is plus 4. इधर भी कुछ नहीं है. Equal to 0. Equal to 0. Split this one. Minus 4 I1 minus into minus
4I2
plus 4 I2 minus 3
minus
into
3
I1 minus 3 I1 minus into
plus
minus
3
plus
plus
3
3 I3
I3 minus 1
minus
I1
I1.
plus 4.
equal to -4. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so I1 term you consider 1 2 3 -4 -3 -7 -1
Minus
-8 -8 I1 plus 4
4I2
I2 plus
plus
3 I3.
I3 is equal to -4.
Minus 4.
This is equation number 4. सुनो इधर, ये कैलकुलेशन करने के लिए इतना बड़ा प्रोसीजर है. डायरेक्ट कैसे लिखने का? ये लूप 1 है. ये कितना रेजिस्टेंस है?
4,
4. ये कितना है?
3,
4 plus 3
7,
7 plus 1.
8.
ये लूप में और कौन सा रेजिस्टेंस है क्या?
no, sir.
No,
ये तीनों रेजिस्टेंस किसको रिलेशन है? I1 के लिए.
I1.
सो सेम लूप को रिलेशन है तो -4 plus 3 plus 1 -8 I1 लिख सकते.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
4 plus 3 8 plus -1. अदर लूप को रिलेशन कौन सा है? सपोज I2 के लिए लिंक कौन सा है? ये I2 इधर है, इधर
4.
4 ओम. सो 4 ओम into I2. इसको अदर लूप को है तो अदर करंट मींस दैट इज पॉजिटिव, यू हैव टू कंसीडर. प्लस 4 I2 है इधर.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
3 को कौन सा रेजिस्टेंस लिंक है इधर?
3,
3.
है. प्लस 3 I3 प्लस 3 I3. So end sign is plus. So when I will send it to RHS side, it will become -4 लिखा है. Is it clear?
yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Similarly for loop 2, A to B, B to D, D
D
to
to A
A. Okay. A to B क्या है?
minus
One.
minus 1 I2.
Minus I2. Minus 1 I2. Okay. Next.
Yes.
B to D. This is positive, negative. Minus 5.
5
Here I2 है, इधर
I2
I3.
minus I3
I2 minus I3.
I2 minus I3. Next. Here. Plus sign you consider. The end sign
Four.
is plus. Plus
4
4.
4
Which one we are doing?
I1 minus I2.
I1 minus I2 consider करो. Otherwise minus use करो, I2 minus I1 use करो. इधर ही कंफ्यूज हो रहे तुम लोगों को बहुत.
Yes, sir.
और वोल्टेज सोर्स कुछ भी नहीं है. इक्वल टू 0. इक्वल टू 0. करो अभी. माइनस 1 I2 माइनस 5
Minus
I2
5 I2
माइनस इंटू माइनस
plus
प्लस
5
5
I3.
I3 प्लस 4 I1 माइनस 4 I2 इक्वल टू 0. I1 टर्म किधर है? इधर. I1 इधर है ना. So I can write 4 I1. I2 term 1, 2, 3 here no. सबको माइनस है. माइनस you take common here no. 1
10.
plus 5 6. 6 plus 4
6
10
10
I2
10 I2. I3 term कौन सा है? Plus 5
plus
I3
5 I3.
equal to 0. This is equation number 2. Yes.
yes sir
Similarly I3 का लिखने का भी. So फर्स्ट लूप I1 को कौन सा है? 4 है. So 4 I1 लिखा है. सेम लूप को करंट को कौन सा लिंक्ड है? 1 plus 5 plus 4. So 10 है. Minus 10 I2. थर्ड लूप को कौन सा है? Plus 5 I3. Similarly, directly I will write this one. You can check this one here now. फर्स्ट लूप को कौन सा लीप है इसमें? थर्ड में 3 I1. This is
3.
third one is linked with first loop. So 3 I1. Second loop को कौन सा है? 5 है. Plus 5 I2.
I2.
Third loop को 5 plus 2 7. 7 plus 3
10.
10 I3 equal to 0. This is equation number 3. Calculate I1 I2 I3 now. बोलो I1 कितना है? I2 कितना है? Put in the calculator. I also don't have the answer. Tell me correctly. So this is the last class for KVL. Tomorrow I will start Kirchhoff's current law. KCL.
I1 1.30.
1.30
30.
ampere. Okay, next I2
I2 0.95.
0.95 ampere. I3
0.86.
सब पॉजिटिव में.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 0.86. So what is the question?
Find all branches current.
All branches means A to B, B to C, C to D, D to A, and वापस A to C, because this is there is no branch here. No, it is not. Here to here एक ही current flow हो रहा है. So first IAB calculation करेंगे. IAB equal to IAB means A branch में कौन सा current flow हो रहा है इधर?
I2.
I2. IAB equal to I2 equal to 0.95 ampere लिख सकते. Next IBC. ये कौन सा करंट फ्लो हो रहा है?
I3.
I3 equal to 0.86 ampere.
86.
ICD.
I1.
फ्लो हो रहा है क्या इधर? It is this branch is linked between 1 and 3.
I1 minus
I1 I3 का लिंक है. सोचो अभी I1 का वैल्यू कितना है? 1.30 है. I3 का कितना है? 0.86. इसमें बिगर वैल्यू कौन सा है?
1.30.
1.30 means actual direction of this one is this one here. No, I1 minus I3. We can write this one. बिगर माइनस लोअर करने का, पॉजिटिव में आंसर चाहिए तो। सो I1 माइनस I3
I3.
इक्वल टू कितना हो गए?
0.44.
1.30 माइनस 0.86 इक्वल टू
0.44.
0.44 हो गए। नेक्स्ट IDA or IAD, whatever it may be. It is linked between I2 and I1. Again, I1 is greater than I2. So I1 का डायरेक्शन यूज करने का इसका, so I1 माइनस I2 यूज करने का। IAD इक्वल टू I1 माइनस I2।
0.35.
30 माइनस 0.95, 0.35
35.
एम्पियर। ये चारों ब्रांच का हो गए। नेक्स्ट इधर से डायरेक्ट A to C, IAC, which current is flowing here? कौन सा करंट फ्लो हो रहा है इधर? ये ब्रांच में कौन सा करंट फ्लो हो रहा है? A to C, इधर से इधर, और
I1.
IC से ये कौन सा हो रहा है? I1 करंट फ्लो हो रहा है। सो I1
Yes,
इक्वल टू 1.30 एम्पियर। ऑल ब्रांच का होगा अभी।
Yes, sir.
ऐसा कैलकुलेशन करने का, समझ में आया क्या नहीं?
Yes, sir.
और किसी को कुछ भी डाउट है तो पूछो, डोंट सिट साइलेंटली। So in the online exam you have means very lucky, easily directly you write the equation, 3 equations you put in the calculator, you write I1 I2 I3। particularly ऐसा नहीं पूछते, this branch current they have asked that one, इसको related कौन सा third one means ये third current का लिख देने का। okay, we'll stop here only and we'll continue in the next class। नोट डाउन किए क्या नहीं प्रॉब्लम्स?
Yes, sir.
सॉल्यूशन भी लेने का है ऐसे ही, मेरे साथ में सॉल्यूशन सॉल्व किया ना तुम लोग, देन ओनली विल अंडरस्टैंड। Okay, we'll stop here only and we'll continue in the next class।